game by the name of Animash. You combine animals with other animals or with other things. So we're going to start with a gorilla and what's this thing? A toilet gorilla. Next, we're gonna mash a toilet gorilla today. Primlu. The heck, Primlu? Rare. Wait a minute, what's this? It's a giant article about it. Originating from an unknown magical mishap, the Primlu retains the gorilla's pack mentality, living in large groups known as plumbings. Fascinatingly, it holds the uncanny ability of the toilet in that anything it consumes is quickly and efficiently disposed of, leaving no trace behind. Oh, cool. Let's create another one. Let's go with a frog. Next. And let's go with a wolf. Yeah, wolf. Frog wolf. A frog wolf might be cool. An amphibious frog. That is genuinely cool looking. Croak wolf. Rare. Croak wolves are known for their unique communication abilities, using a combination of howls and croaks to signal to their pack members over long, vast distances. They are adept at both swimming and running, making them highly skilled hunters in a variety of environments. Wow. Alright, we're gonna make one more for today. Just gonna go with a chihuahua and a whatever this thing is. Glitch. A glitched chihuahua. Generating result. A glitchy. Rare. Born out of a digital anomaly occurring within the genetic coding of a chihuahua, glitchy are an anomaly in the realm of canine species. They are known for their unpredictable behavior, often acting out in strange ways that resemble a computer glitch, like freezing mid-action or repeating the same movements in a loop. That might not be good for fighting. This pineapple's looking at me, and I want to click it. I'm going to click the samurai warrior. A samurai pineapple? A samurai pineapple. Come on. Sword pine. Okay. The sword pine, a unique hybrid, has the warrior spirit of a samurai, having a strict code of honor, discipline, and unwavering loyalty. It carries the patience and resilience of its pineapple parentage, growing slowly and enduring harsh conditions. Due to its samurai lineage, the sword pine has an innate instinct for battle and protection, often seen defending weaker creatures in its territory. Create username. We're just gonna go real simple with it. We're gonna go with Thunder. Done. Continue. We'll go quick match. We're gonna go with that one, this one, these three. Alright. I'm ready to fight now. Start. Searching for match. Not found. I go first. I want to see what my Croak Wolf has to do. Swamp Howl. Attack him. That didn't really do anything. Wait for Choback. Blah, blah, blah. Is that a hot dog mixed with a deer? A deer dog? Shogun Slice. Attack you. That definitely did something. It literally killed them. Waiting for Choi back. 44k. Okay. Come on. What? Oh, it missed. Oh, nice. Oh, wait, no. The heck happened? Anyways, we're gonna use the glitch thing. Pixel Pounce. Pixel Pounce, I guess. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. This game's actually fun. If you guys want to see a series on this game, make sure to like this video and tell me in the comments. You don't have to like the video, just tell me in the comments if you want to see more of this game in the future. Let's go with Juicy Defense. Oh, that just brings up my defense. Oh, well, why would I want to... I wanted to... Oh, my God. Waiting for Troy back 4K. Okay. Alright. They chose to use this owl-looking creature. We're going to use this thing again. Let's use Leap Pounce. What happened to the music? Boom. Take that, boy. Ooh. Ooh, this is turning into an all-out brawl. I like the new music. It's their turn. I mean, I've popcorn. Excuse me. Alright. Let's use a Lick Lunge. Oh, wow. It literally, I think that killed them. Now it's just the deer dog. I'm calling it a deer dog. Hot deer? Oh. I gotta kill this deer. This thing is powerful. My turn. I'll use Samurai Guy. Spiny Assault. Ooh, that's not bad. Did some damage. Okay, now it's their turn. Blah, blah, blah. You get this. I won, and all of them leveled up. I did not level up. Let's go back to menu. I wanted to see what they created. I want to figure it out. And to finish off this video, we're going to mix a capybara with, if you can guess it, a dragon. A capybara dragon. I just want to see what a capybara dragon would actually look like. Scaly Bara, dude! That's freaking sick! Alright, Scaly Baras are highly social creatures, preferring to live in large groups called scaly bands. Much like their capybara ancestors, they also inherit the dragon's notorious love for shiny objects, often hoarding small trinkets and treasures in their dens. And we're going to save him for next time. I will see you all in the next video. Yeah, goodbye, Thunder Club. See y'all in the next video.